Hello, this is Dr. Lytle speaking to you from the Laser Learning Center. Today's lesson is on memory and learning. There's not a one of us that does not want to be able to remember things better or to learn quicker. There has been research done on animals where they would drill a hole through the bone here and place a sensor on the dura mater of the forebrain and do the same thing on the back and then apply a frequency to the front at the same time they were applying it to the back, and they found that the animals could run a maze about 20% more accurate than without applying this specific frequency. Then they did the same study on college students where they would apply a sensor on the forehead and again shave the head on the back and apply a sensor on the back, and they would input a frequency to the forehead and then a half second later apply the same frequency to the back of the head. These college students were able to complete tests more accurately by 20% after they'd applied the frequency. So with that in mind, I've designed a way of using your Q1000 laser to increase your memory and learning. In order to do the memory and learning sequence with the Q-Laser system, it requires two lasers. Many of you probably only have one. Call your distributor and tell them that you need another Q1000 laser and you would like the memory and learning frequency programmed into mode 1. Once you get that programmed into mode 1, then you'll need to send your other laser back to the manufacturer in order to get the memory and learning frequency programmed into mode 1 on that laser. Now that the memory and learning frequency is programmed into each of the lasers in mode 1, you're ready to start using it for memory and learning. Have your lasers programmed from your distributor, then turn the laser on, and the one that you're going to place on your forehead, which in this case will be the one on your right, my left, I turn it on, and then 1/2 second later I'll turn the one on that goes on the back side. Now in order to get a 1/2 second, we all know that 1001 equals a second. So when counting a 1/2 second, you would turn the one on the left and then say 1000 and turn the one on the right. So here it goes. You have them both on. Turn this one on, 1000, turn this one on, and then they're applied in this fashion. And you leave them there a full 3 minutes or until the laser beeps and shuts off. You may do this every other day or as often as you need to improve memory and learning. Since the Q-Laser system works at the cell level, it is not surprising that we can improve the memory and learning by applying the Q1000 laser to the brain. It's going to be fun. Try it and see how well it works for you.